Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. Got a quick one for you. It'll only take a couple minutes. The SPEKTRUM Sky Id, the remote ID module, you know, the FAA enforced leash they want us to put on our planes. This guy right here, the SPMA 9500. When you take it out of the package, there's a sticker on the back that says you must update it prior to use. We're going to update it using my laptop. There's other ways to achieve this this goal, but we're going to do it with my laptop real quick. The remote ID module comes with all of these plugs right here. The one we're going to use is the one that people sometimes refer to as the female servo plug. It's actually the male, but this is a case around it. But who cares, right? Who cares? The other side is the plug that goes into the Sky Id. This plug is also known as a SRXL2 plug. Has the capability of having 4 pins. This thing is only using 3 of them. So let's grab my laptop. It'll only take a second. All right, got the laptop. I'll put it on the screen here for you guys to see it, but I just want to show you the icon. So once you have the SPEKTRUM programmer loaded up, it's going to look like the SPEKTRUM symbol. SPEKTRUM programmer. And that's what it looks like before you connect it. All right, got the cable that came with the Sky Id that has the plug on one side to go into the Sky Id, has the servo plug on the other. You got your USB programmer, USB plug on one side, servo plug on the other. Get all these guys plugged up here, like so, and like so. And then you'll take your USB and you plug it into the side of your computer. And it made a little noise. And then once I hit power cable in the top right, there's a little warning telling you don't have a battery pack connected to your receiver or anything. Just let the computer power your device. I'm going to hit power cable. Now the light comes on, blinking, and then connect. The app is pulled up now. And then we are going to plug in the USB program cable into the computer, and this may happen all automatically. Bam. All right, so we're going to click power cable up in the top right-hand corner here. And now the Sky Id is lit up. And connect. And we can see that it has software version 1.0. Do we need to check for updates? It says you need to log into your SPEKTRUM RC, which we already are. So check for update. And we can give this thing a nickname. We're just going to call it Sky Id. The only one I have. And register device. We had 1.0 in it. No new software version is available at this time. Okay, it's registered to me. And this serial number up here is the unique serial number that you'll need to register it with the FAA, if you decide to do that. We're now going to go to back to my SPEKTRUM and see in the list of my products if this is in there now. There we go. I'm gonna just go from one website to another just to kind of refresh things. We'll hit refresh here. And now let's see if we have our Sky Id in here. There it is, the very last one. We just did it. Sky Remote ID. Let's see if there happens to be an update here by chance. Yep, there is. So it didn't automatically put it in through the programmer. So here we go. Version 1.1. To the Spectrum programmer, I'm going to plug up the Sky ID. And then power the cable. Power the cable. Sky ID is blinking. Connect. Check for updates. Version 1.0. Install another version. 1.1. Update. The device was successfully updated. So now, power cable.